Do you work with Pacific communities in New Zealand, or are you interested about the health, culture and nutrition of Pacific people? Our Pacific nutrition courses are fun, hands-on and can help you do just that. Here's what some of our past students had to say about their course experience.
My experience of the Pacific Nutrition course was fabulous. Had a great time. Met heaps of new friends, which I still see a few of them now, and so I made some great networks and I learnt an awful lot.
It was a really fun way of learning. I really enjoyed, there was a lot of laughter, a lot of practical sessions that really helped me understand, so that was really good, and just really loved all the food that we got to try, just new foods, and then also just learning about different ways of preparing the foods that I love, like bisupor, so just simple as draining the fat, adding more veggies in it.
The learnings I learned from the course were how to improve the eating for our tamariki, just a healthier way of doing my menu.
Learning different ways to present and seeing everyone's perspective on health and nutrition for Pacific Island communities was really valuable for me, and also just meeting other people that are working in so many different areas of the Pacifica community, making those connections with people as well.
I thought I knew about food portions, but I wasn't, so I took the course that my food portions were way off. And when I went back to school, I started looking at what the students were eating, some of their lunches and their food portions were off. So
I would really recommend it to my own colleagues at work. Most of them are new grads.
The food's great, the trainers are great.
I would absolutely recommend everybody to come and do this course. It's given a lot of value to the work that I do in the community, and also has empowered us as a family to supports those values around healthy lifestyle and healthy living with our family and the next generations to come.
basically the entire course I took straight back and we put it into a nutrition unit at our school. So everything we learned, we put it into 8-week course as well, and I did that for term 4.
Even from a nutrition background, it was really good for me in terms of a health promotion type of role.
The way that we were taught in class, the visual images, the tools being used, it really helped a lot in learning. You don't have to have gone through institution or gone through university. It can be applicable to any level in society. Those who haven't studied, because the team are so supportive.
Go take this nutrition class. It will really help you out there, especially in a Pacific and Māori community. They'll be receptive to it. So.
And it's just a personal journey for yourself as well as for your family, and then sharing it out to the wider community.
Whether you're Pacific or not, you can make a real difference to the lives of Pacific families and communities.